is going to be gone so much, I won't be able to get
Huh. The pine tree just got blown down.
You can't see because of the brick wall.
Oh. Got the light out so I can see it. Light on.
How many birds see this? Still up in the tree.
Yeah, it is. Hey, all those street lights are down. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, it's storming.
Yeah. Uh-oh, it's raining now.
Yeah, I'm gonna upload it on YouTube before that tree.
Yeah, I'm really scared for you.
Guys, I need to get that plot. I need to. Gotta upload it on YouTube.
I'm glad it didn't hit. I wonder if they saw it.
What the hell? Come on, tablet, focus. Well, the tablet when it stays here. Tree's not. There's a tree. I was in the shelter. It got knocked down. And I gotta go in to get the one checked out. Can't see it without it. Yeah, it's been blowing fast, but water everywhere. Water everywhere. Flooded over the parking lot. Yeah, I need to upload it on YouTube. Yeah, I'm trying to shine this tree. Bam. Grab it. Yeah, I better show that picture to Kathy about it. You gotta show that video to Kathy. See this, Kathy? Branches everywhere. All everywhere. Whoa. Come on, tablet, focus. Ow. Arm's killing me. Come on, tablet, focus. There you go. Oh my, that is ugly. Oh wow. Wow. Yeah, I uploaded on YouTube. Whoa! What are you doing? Put it on YouTube. Maybe I can get a better view of this. Sorry about this, but
Maybe I should turn my flash off.
see that tree? The
Yeah.
storm just blow up.
Yeah.
See it? Kathy, you might want to see that tree. Richie, if you want to, Richie, if you see this video with the tree, I had to film this for maintenance.
Poor part repair.
Yeah, I'm filming it with the maintenance.
Okay, Tommy. Way to go.
Richie, do you see the, oh.
He's gonna end up having to carry it off from
That's bad. I have to tell Kathy about it. I know. I have to. Yeah, I got to tell our maintenance man. Because the tree knocked down a... Whoa. Storming. Right there. Oh, I heard thunder. Okay, and that's it when the tornado warning has ended. Okay. Okay, now, to let you know, the tornado has ended. Alright, well, thanks.
There's an ambulance over there. Police.
Where?
Over there.
Where's the police?
Around the corner right here. Look through the window. Here.
I can't look for this. Look for what?
See the red and blue lights there? And the
Red and blue lights, yes. Let me go find it. Hey Byron, you might want to get a load of this. Holy crap. I saw that. Wow. What? What? Yeah, it's worse. Yeah, it did. Yeah, we're trying to seek shelter immediately. Any bathrooms up? Whatever. Yes, I'm not uploading on YouTube. Trying to show this to Byron and Mike and Daniel Watts. I tried to show this to Carolyn. I'm trying to send this video to Kathy about it. Roxanne, do you see this tree? Right there. Pam, I trying to film it with a manager.
You guys can see through my window too, but it's not as clear.
Yeah, it's worse, but I saw the fire truck or...
What are they doing over there?
I don't know. We might have to get in our Mazda and check and what happened.